One of the joys of having LED fixtures is the ability to change their colors. So with these fixtures and this board, the ColorSource AV40, you have a couple of ways of doing that. So this is your main screen where you come up, the light board comes up to start its day. Right here, this little teardrop, colorful little teardrop, you touch that and then you get the rainbow that comes up. And you can touch anywhere on that rainbow to get whatever color you so desire. Let me show you over here. Again, I have the power on backstage, so all the LED fixtures will work without me having to turn on anything here. So I'm going to bring all the LEDs up so they're all on at full right now. And you can see that in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. They're all on full tilt. And so now when I go into the color picker, I can touch, and all the lights will change colors accordingly. You can see it happening in real time there in the bottom right screen. Now the other thing I can do is I can touch where it says color right here, and I can bring up a color palette. You can change these color palettes, and again, you can go online to the ETC website and see how to do that. I'm not going to dig into that today. But you can use some pre-selected colors for your show, and you can change them all from here. Now what happens if you want one side of the stage one color and one side another color? Easily done. So I've chosen some colors there. You can see it again in the bottom half of the screen. Now I'm going to touch the soft buttons, and I'm going to turn these off for a moment or deselect these. Now when I go back to the color picker, now the other half of my stage changed colors. Half of my stage did, half of my stage didn't. And I can control that. You can scroll through these, by the way. There's more here. So I'll choose that one. And so now I want to go back over. I'm just going to choose a couple here. Let's change these three. Actually, let's turn these off for a moment. I want these three fixtures right there. And I'm going to change those colors. I'm going to go back up here, and I want that yellow. Okay, so now I've changed just those three fixtures. And the other fixtures have stayed the same. And if you could see it, it's hard to see on here, but these are kind of a blue, these are the yellow, and these are the green. I guess if I turn them on, so they're selected again, you can actually see those colors. All right, and that helps you keep straight what colors you have where. And again, you can see in that bottom right-hand picture, the colors are selected as desired.